welcome back to Project Anonymous. I hope your day is going great. Today we're unboxing a new chair.
We got this new chair from Walmart. It's a Respawn RSP 110. The reason we got it is because the kids are now doing virtual school due to COVID, and we only had one office chair before. So this is a way so both you and your sister can have a new office chair to sit in and be comfortable, rather than sitting in a dining room chair.
That's what I've been sitting in all day long.
You ready to get to work?
Yes!
Let's do it.
Disclaimer, this video is not sponsored.
Let's get this box open.
Don't cut the tail! Don't cut the tail!
You know, I always worry about that when opening a box. But
Well, I guess
luckily,
there's extra
you
cardboard.
put a piece of cardboard on top so you don't actually cut through your chair, which is very nice. So here's our box. We got our instructions. Looks pretty simple. It even comes with tools, so we should be good there. What is this? Guys, you know when you get a chair that comes with a pillow,
It's something cool.
it's gonna be a nice chair.
Oh, is that on the headboard? It's gonna attach to that, and that's why.
I don't think it's called a headboard, but
I mean, not a headboard, but do you guys know what do you guys know what I mean?
Yeah.
Where do you want me to put it?
Look at this, another pillow.
Ooh, 2 pillows. Is there 2 chairs in here?
Might be your little knee chair, knee.
Recliner part thing?
Yeah. Okay. Why don't we put these off to the side? Step 1. Gotta unfold the base. Pretty easy. They just kind of fit right in. No tools really needed for this part. Base done. Okay, next step. We need our little riser. That's it. Oh no. That's the covering for this little shock thing. Okay, now we need the seat.
Is this a recliner piece to get it and move without like touching it?
I don't know. We'll have to wait and see in the instructions when we get there. Okay, so we need this part. What do we need? We need part M and J. M and J.
You want me to open
Nope,
it?
we're gonna do it like this. Okay. We just need 4 of these. Where's part H? Oh, that's this whole thing. So far, it seems pretty solid. There we go. What's next? Set this on top of this. That's simple, huh?
Oh.
Just like that. Okay.
Can I put a sound on it?
Not yet. Okay, so now we need to put this on. And attach it here. And we need L, I, and J. Okay.
You need any help?
Yeah, why don't you screw these up?
You can like go over them and kind of make sure they're tight enough. That's awesome.
You alright? You can turn it. Use this end too. So this is to get it when it's easy, but if you use this end, then you get more leverage and you can turn it easier.
Oh.
Try that.
That looks a lot
A lot easier.
less
huh?
painful.
Yeah. Alright, that is on. What's next? Armrests.
So far, how has it been putting it together? Is it easy or hard?
So far, it's easy to put together. Very easy to put together. No real issues. But we'll see. Okay. This is going to be this side. Oh, look. I'm supposed to put this part down. Cover things so you don't see the screws. You stick them on there. Nice. Nice finish, huh? Good job. Look, you did that there too. One more. Made it adjustable. So, just gonna loosen it up a bit. Does that look straight? That looks straight,
Yes.
right? Now we'll tighten it.
I think the pillow goes, if I'm correct, right here. Or am I being an idiot?
No, I think you're right. I know where else the pillow would go. You gotta adjust it. There you go. Yeah, you got to lower yourself.
Okay, I got it.
Okay.
It's pretty comfortable.
We still have another
Not gonna
pillow.
lie. Where's that one go? Or did I mix it up?
Okay. So these straps go from the seatbelt area down to here. And it's your lumbar support. You can move it up or down.
I'll let you handle this.
Thank you. So this can be your pillow. Just move it up like that. That's for short people.
You want to give it a try?
Sure. Oh, some more.
There's more?
There's more screws. I'm not sure what they're for. Spare. They're just spare screws. That's cool. Comes with spare parts, just in case.
You break some?
Yeah. All right. It's all right.
It's all right, you say. What would you change about this chair?
Right now, not much.
You gonna lift that thing up?
Yeah, we didn't do that, did we? Okay. You want to give it a spin?
Sure. Kind of what someone is spinning you around. This can be a bed.
Pretty comfy, huh?
Yeah.
Now see if you can get yourself out of it. Lift it up and everything. Push it in.
This is nice for Zoom meetings. How do you go down? Yay! My dream. This is what I would do with the other office chair.
Thanks so much for watching us put this chair together. We got this from Walmart, like we said before, for about $159 before taxes.
Prices may have changed.
And we'll go ahead and put a link in the description of where we got, or of this chair. Some of the pros that we see with it is it seems to be well built, good quality, good hardware to put together. It feels really nice. It's a little stiff right now. We think it will probably break in a little as you know your fanny's in there for a while. It reclines, which is kind of nice. So you can see here, she can sit back in a Zoom call or drink iced tea or whatever. It's fully adjustable in height as well. And it's got a little bar and a footrest. So you can be real lazy. Yeah, see? So, pretty neat. Some of the cons that we see so far obviously is, it's pretty expensive. Maybe not the most expensive for an office chair, but $159 for a chair for them to sit in is kind of pricey. What else?
So the con I found, it might not relate to him, but I found it really hard to work these. That might be because I'm not the strongest person, but it's really hard for me to work these.
So again, yeah, it's a little stiff and the controls are a little bit more difficult for her. But she shouldn't be reclining in school anyway, right?
Thanks so much for watching. Please like this video if you liked it, subscribe if you enjoyed our content, and turn on those notifications to be reminded every single time we post a video.
And go ahead and like and subscribe anyway, even if you don't like our content.
Stay crafty
And be happy.